Many treatments fail, not because of technique, but because they ignore the body as a system. M.P.R Fundamentals introduces a new international standard in postural rehabilitation, a clinical method that integrates the craniofacial system, posture, neuromuscular function, and global body balance. Join Professor Silverio Di Rocca, founder of the M.P.R method, for the official presentation of M.P.R Fundamentals and the opening of the M.P.R International School in Dubai, featuring Dr. Osman El Labban, official M.P.R Dubai Coordinator. Webinar will take place in January 28th, 5 p.m. Madrid time. Will be a live online workshop. The registration is required. Will be limited access. Do not miss the place. Register now and you will receive the link for the virtual room in your mail directly to participate. M.P.R Fundamentals is the new international standard in postural rehabilitation. We wait for your participation. See you in the webinar.